Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be using my Singer Tradition sewing machine. My stitching is on zigzag, my length is 3, my width is 5, and my tension is 3. So what I'm showing you is how I make my I'm just re-showing you right now the numbers for everything, but I'm showing you guys today how to make a frontal wig. This is my cap and all the, good stuff. These are my body wave bundles. You can get these on my website. Link will be in the description box. Look at that body. Looks so beautiful. Like, shop's just. Anywho, I'm getting ready to double weft my tracks right now, so you'll see that. I do suggest that you get an open foot presser or open pressure foot. It's something like that. I'll link it in the description box, but it makes it so much easier to sew. I'm telling you, like, it saved my life. Anywho, I just place both of the tracks together and then I just sew like such. I'm going to let you guys see how I sew both bundles. If you don't want to watch this part and you already know how to do this, go ahead and skip through, but I will be showing you how I double weft both bundles. So I'll be back once I'm done doing this. Alright, now I'm all done with that. I'm going to be sewing on my first track, and I'm going to make sure that I back stitch that first stitching, and then when I'm ending it, I'm going to make sure that I back stitch as well. I'm following my guidelines I made, and if you want to know exactly how to do that, I can do a dedicated video about that. Just comment down below and I'll get that out to you guys. All this is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm going to continue to do the same thing. The only advice that I do give you guys, because I had trouble with this when I first started making wigs, is do not tug or pull on the cap at all. I don't know if it's looking like to you that I'm pulling on the cap as I'm doing this, but do not at all pull on the cap, because you will stretch it, you will get lumps, and I'm going to show you guys how flat this wig is after I get done sewing everything. But don't tug. You'll see me do like holding it like a hamburger. That's a cool technique that I learned that you can do, and it prevents you from actually stretching the cap and being able to see what you're doing. So if you can't place your hands accordingly, then I would hold it like a hamburger and then see if that works for you. you just saw me stretching it out because I did notice that my stuff was starting to bunch up because of my bobbin. So I'm going back over that track just to make sure that it's flat and that it's not lumpy. And this way I don't have to redo anything, because once you start making it lumpy, then I'm telling you, it messes up your whole entire wig.
Take no L.
Alright, as I'm finishing up, just pay attention how I was holding my hands throughout the video. I was doing some hamburger methods and not stretching the cap at all. In the next clip, you're going to see how flat and how beautiful this wig is. I did record me sewing down the frontal, but for some reason the footage is white, so I'm sorry. I can do a video for that, but I do not have that footage of me sewing on the frontal. The picture you'll see at the end of the video is how the wig actually came out. If you want a plucking video or anything, let me know. Alright guys, this wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.